The checkout page is the last thing a traveler sees before they hand over their money. WP Travel Engine gives you control over what information you collect, how you collect it, and what your travelers see on their way through checkout. In this video, I'll walk you through every setting on the checkout page so you can set it up exactly the way your business needs. Let's get started. From your WordPress dashboard, hover over WP Travel Engine, then click on Settings. Once inside Settings, you will land in the Pages section under General. The first field here is the checkout page. Click on the drop-down and select the page you want to use as your checkout page from the list, and click Save Settings. I've already selected the default checkout page here, which is under Pages. So click on Pages in the left sidebar, where you can create a brand new checkout page if you'd like, but I'm going to edit the default checkout page instead. Now, before this page works correctly, there are two ways to set it up. You can either assign the WP Travel Engine checkout template to it from the template dropdown in the Pages settings panel, or you can add the shortcode directly onto the page instead. If you assign the template, your checkout page will automatically use WP Travel Engine's default heading and layout. But if you skip the template and add the shortcode directly, the title you've given the page will display instead, since no default heading is being applied in that case. Choose whichever approach fits how the rest of your site is designed and click Save. Now let's configure how that checkout page actually behaves. Back to Settings, click on Display, then click on Checkout underneath it. This brings you to the Checkout Settings page. The first field you'll see is the Booking Confirmation message. This is the message shown to your traveler once they've successfully completed their booking. Next are two toggles. If you want to collect your traveler information, turn this toggle on. When it's disabled, travelers only need to fill in the billing details to complete their booking. Once that's enabled, Show Emergency Contact Form adds a section for emergency contact details inside that same traveler information form, so you can collect a contact name and number in case anything goes wrong during the trip. Below that are two more settings that work together. Display Traveler and Emergency Details lets you choose between on checkout and after checkout. On checkout means travelers fill in their details as part of the checkout process itself, while after checkout sends them to a separate step once the order is placed. Right underneath is Collect Traveler Information, which lets you choose between all travelers and only lead traveler. All travelers means every traveler on the booking needs to provide their own details, while only lead traveler collects information for just the main booker, which can speed up checkout for group bookings, where you don't need details from everyone. Show Additional Note adds a notes field to the checkout page, giving travelers a place to leave special requests or extra information along with their booking. Show Coupon Code field adds a coupon field at checkout, so travelers can apply a discount code, as long as the trip they're booking has one attached to it. If you've applied a coupon to a trip and the field still isn't showing up at checkout, make sure this toggle is enabled. And if you haven't set up coupons yet, check out our dedicated tutorial video, linked in the description, to get that set up first. The Privacy Policy Notice field lets you write the message that appears next to the checkbox travelers tick to confirm they've read and agreed to your privacy policy. Finally, there's the Footer Copyright field. This controls the copyright text shown in the footer of the checkout page. Once everything is set up the way you want, click Save Settings at the bottom of the page. Now let's see how this comes together for your travelers. Open any trip on your site and start the booking process, moving through Select a Date and Choose Package until you land on the final step. This is the checkout page you just set up. At the top, the Lead Traveler Details form asks for the primary traveler's information. Right below it, the Emergency Details section appears, asking for an emergency contact's details. Below that is the Billing Details section, where travelers can check, same as lead traveler, to reuse those details or fill in their billing information separately. Just above the Pay and Confirm Booking button, the Privacy Policy checkbox appears with the exact message you set, linking out to the Terms and Conditions and Privacy Policy pages. At the very bottom of the page, the footer copyright line displays exactly as we configured. If you'd like to go further and customize the fields on this checkout form itself, adding, removing, or rearranging them, that's handled through the Form Editor add-on, and we have a dedicated tutorial video on setting that up, linked in the description. And that's it! Your checkout page is now set up to collect exactly the information you need. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and subscribe for more WP Travel Engine tutorials. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. We're here to help. You can also reach our support team using the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.